goodness, go! Stay down!
You crashed the car.
I was saving your life.
Oh, thanks. Welcome to Mr. Anka's. Please come in.
Thank you. You're very pretty.
Well, thank you.
Here's a $9, Mr. Anka.
North, this is a business meeting.
Yes, Mr. Anka.
Have a seat. Can you get me a drink?
Here you go, Mr. Anka.
Thank you. Elliot,
Yes, Mr. Anka.
have the AR-15s come in yet?
They just got in, boss.
Here's your pizza, Mr. Anka.
Thank you.
Superstar, are you reading Metro Girl again? 仕事中でしょ、やめなさいよ。
気になるんだもん。
You know, Mr. Anka, using an I after the A to change Metropolitan to Metropolitan would be heavily rivaled by the South.
Yeah, you know it's heavily rivaled in the South. We gotta do something about it.
Thanks, Elliot. Could you hand me the Metro pen, please?
Here you are, Mr. Anka.
Thank you very much. What else?
The North wants to sign in a law to exercise its own business practices.
You know, this will start a metropolitan civil war!
Yes! The South should not control us!
You know, I'm tired of this argy-bargy.
What are we gonna do?
We're gonna march on Metropolitan Hill.
Come on, man. What are you doing with that bird?
You need a new calling in life. This is mine.
A bird?
Word! Yeah, this bird.
And what's that bird gonna do for you, man?
It's not what the bird's gonna do for you. It's gonna bring a kid back to his family.
You crazy, man. We're here to talk about our rap band.
Before all these mobs of girls be calling your name, you'll be helping somebody before all the fortune and fame.
And what's that supposed to mean?
I only have one explanation. Go now and find your new occupation.
You crazy. The only thing I'm good for is rapping and construction.
Construction? Man, you bugging. You have no function. Fool with a tool.
Hey, yo, this is a tool like a hammer. Plus, I can rap like my name was Metro Hammer.
That was a pretty sick flow. But it's time to let this bird go.
Stop firing! What are you doing? That's my grandson up there. Stop firing! Stop! Hey man, what's your name?
Stop.
You did a great job. You saved our lives.
All of yours but his.
Yeah, well, he's gone, and I need a new bodyguard. Are you interested in a job?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, well, you can start right now. Today's the day.
Ready.
Let's rock.
Hey, how's it going, buddy?
Hey man, that's a nice dog you got there.
Yeah, I'm out for a stroll tonight. You know, it's my night out. Hey, it's Pedro. Pedro's the dog.
Pedro, come here, baby.
It doesn't bite that hard.
Sick looking dog.
It doesn't bite that hard, you know what I'm saying?
No, I need a dog, man.
Yeah, that's cool, but that's my dog, you know what I'm saying?
I think I'm gonna take it.
Yeah,
Only
hey, give me my freaking dog back, man! Give me my how about this? Stab her up! Stab her on the back! How you like that? How you like that?
Hi, here's your food. Be careful because it's really hot. So, I'm sorry about this. Enjoy.
Hey, just a second. Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Would you be willing to go get some drinks with me?
What?
Go get some drinks. Go have a couple of drinks with me.
What do you do?
I work in the bank. I work in the acquisitions and mergers.
How many years you work for the bank?
10 years at the bank.
Where you live?
I live down in South Metro.
Okay. Well, we'll see. Maybe I can give you, maybe we can go out. I just kind of want to know you a little bit because I
Sure.
don't know.
Well, we can talk over drinks. You get to know me over drinks.
What about if we share numbers and then we talk and I feel kind of comfortable we hang out?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I'll give you my number later.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Is everything okay?
Excellent.
Sure.
You're great.
Well, I hope you come back.
Yeah.
I'm glad you like it.
Hey, listen, I'm a great guy. I think you should give me your number.
You know you say. Okay. Don't call too late.
All right.
See you.
All right, thanks. Talk to you soon.
Remember, if we're gonna make this rap career happen, you guys have to ask for money from Mr. Anka, okay?
Okay, Ruthless.
Okay,
Boss
Rufus.
lady.
Alright, go on in.
We crashed the car.
You crashed the car.
What's with your new decoration outside?
You mean the dead man?
Yes.
That was my associate working with me on my Northern Metropolitan business expansion.
Is that right, darling?
That's right.
Who's he?
I'm Mr. Ankis's new bodyguard, Mr. Stop.
That's good, but who's that?
A barrier. Come on. You know who I be.
Yeah, I met him before.
Is he no good?
Yeah, he's no good.
That's right. I am no good.
Mr. Stop, he's gonna stay here and do your job.
And what is my darling Metropolitan going to do?
My darling?
You mean I'm not in the doghouse anymore?
Of course not.
Metro's heading north.
Heading north to find out who put bullets in north?
No, to find Woody.
Who in the northern metropolitan world is Woody?
I took him in like he was my own grandchild when he was young.
How do you know you went north?
Mr. Stop. Mr. Angus explained to me that Woody heads north every time there's trouble.
How is Woody gonna know how to trust me?
You know, just refer to me as the Lion, and Woody will know that you work for me.
Is that a picture of him?
Here it is.
That's Woody, huh? Pretty good looking kid. You took him in and treated him like a grandchild. That's good. I'll find him. Hey, Reminisce, how you doing?
Hey, long time no see. How you been, man?
Doing real well. Hey, that sounds real good.
Oh, thank you, man. New groove I'm working on. Yeah.
Excellent. You gonna use that in your new show tonight?
I am. That, along with many others, man. We're gonna tear it up out there. So. Yeah,
Outstanding.
Yeah. So, what does Mr. Anka have you doing these days?
Mr. Anka has me going up north.
Up north.
Yeah.
You like it up there? Yeah.
Why is that?
They use the metric system.
The metric system. I never thought of that.
Yeah.
Hey, I'll be sure to see your show when I get back, okay?
All right, man. Have a safe trip.
Okay.
Good seeing you.
See you around.
Yeah, man. I'm bummed out, dude. Today I've been bummed out all day. Like, just, I mean, it's like, you know.
There's no going back to that. You know, I know you feel bad about the guy, but.
The guy?
Yeah, I mean.
Shit, I miss my dog.
Your dog? What? I mean, I heard
that guy, dude, he's gone. Who cares?
I heard of dog lovers, but that's too much, man. Just gotta think about humanity too, you know?
Humanity, dude. I care about the dog.
Hey, Francisco. Hey, yeah, why aren't you here cleaning off my tennis court? It's Tuesday.
No, I said Tuesday. I said I'd be there Tuesday.
Thank you, sweetheart. I love my bag and my shoes. I'm so excited.
Glad you like it.
Oh, you're so sweet.
You're having more fun in gunning, man.
Hey man, whatever happened to that bird?
If you truly love something, let it free. If it's meant to be, it'll come back to you or me. That bird probably went back to his destiny.
Wherever that is, it's probably chilling. But I'ma still be doing construction and rap and making them millions.
And quit stealing.
Never was stealing.
Here's a sample of the AR-15.
Alright, that's a good looking gun. Okay, when can we expect the next shipment?
We have 5 boxes of them, and it'll be ready by next week.
Okay, that sounds good.
Okay. I'll see you then.
Okay.
Come on out of there!
I didn't see anything.
Okay, what didn't you see?
I seen what happened, almost happened like my grandfather and friends.
I'm here to help your grandfather and your friend. Lion?
He's the only one that ever called me lying.
That's what he told me. Now, come on.
When you wake up in the morning and you find that I'm not there, remember you were the one who told me where to go. I wanted to stay, but you drove me away. There was nothing I could do or say. You were the one who told me where to go.